if you want to eject SIM tray on a Xiaomi 17T Pro, but you don't have the SIM eject tool, then let me just quickly tell you what kind of alternative tools you can use to actually eject the SIM tray from the phone. So of course you're looking for something that is thin, straight and sturdy so that you can fit into this SIM tray hole, and something that of course won't break when you apply gentle pressure, because this is something that we have to do to push out the SIM tray from the phone. So the best alternative tool that you can use is a paperclip. It also looks kind of similar to a typical SIM eject tool, so paperclip is definitely the best option. You can unfold a small paperclip so one end is straight, and then you can insert it gently into the SIM eject hole over here, and then you can press it until the SIM tray pops out. Besides a paperclip, you can also use an earring post, like a plain metal stud earring. That is not a hook, or it doesn't have like a decorative end. Of course, you want to make sure that the post is clean and straight, and you want to insert and press it gently over here into the SIM tray hole, of course. A sewing needle or a pin can work as well. It might work because usually these tools are thin, and you want to hold it steady and press straight in. You want to avoid angled pressure. Also, mechanical pencil tip works in some cases. I'm not sure if it's going to work in this specific case, but if you have a mechanical pencil tip without lead, if the lead is retracted, then you can try to put it into the SIM tray hole and you can try to push it into the phone. However, you want to be careful because if you have plastic tips, they can break quite easily, so you want to be really careful with that. Now, besides that, of course, there are some things that you should never use to eject the SIM tray. For example, toothpicks or wooden sticks. They can break off easily, so avoid using them. Safety pins with rounded ends won't work as well. You want something that is straight, like the eject tool over here. Screws or nails are not going to work as well. I would recommend you not using them. And of course, anything thick or blunt is not going to work. So, once you find your tool, like for example the paperclip, of course you can just put it into this SIM tray hole, and then once it is in, just push it straight in with a little bit of pressure until the SIM tray pops out. Once it pops out, you can use your fingernails or fingers and then just remove it from the phone. Then you should be able to insert your SIM cards and just push it back into the phone all the way, and of course make sure that it is actually fully inserted. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.